Daddy, come on, let's some horse shit.
Yeah, I'm the one that's stranded.
Oh, it's all about you, isn't it?
Oh, this is my fault now.
Mark, I didn't say that. All right, calm down. I want to talk about it. Daddy! Daddy!
Maybe I'm tired of not talking about it, Saul. You know, of hiding myself. You know, my feelings, my flaws, my every fucking thing because of your insecurities.
See? You. Jesus Christ. Why can't you get it through your thick skull, huh? I don't want to go with you. I never did.
That's because you are scared to be a faggot. That's
God,
classic, Saul.
Mark!
That's classic.
No! I don't trust you. Not enough. Not enough to uproot my whole goddamn life here. I'm not gonna send my daddy to a loony bin, huh? Well, I'll throw away everything we had worked an entire life for, all for you, all for Mark. No. I don't love you enough. I don't.
You are so scared to leave, Saul.
Maybe I just don't want to go with you. Huh? Woo! Never think about that. Be a little shot to your ego, huh? You know, maybe you're just not enough.
Well. Okay. Hank?
You saw my pain washed out in the rain.